If your TV suddenly has a blue tint, or the whole picture looks cold and washed out, you're probably wondering whether it's just a setting, or if the TV is starting to fail. The good news is that not every blue screen means your TV is finished. Sometimes it's a simple software glitch, and other times it's a hardware issue that's surprisingly common on LED TVs. Let's start with the easy fixes before assuming the worst. The first thing I'd do is completely power cycle the TV. Turn it off, unplug it from the wall, then press and hold the physical power button on the TV itself for about 15 seconds. After that, leave the TV unplugged for around 30 minutes. This clears any leftover electrical charge and gives the system a chance to reset properly. Once the time is up, plug it back in and check whether the picture looks normal again. If the blue tint is still there, disconnect every HDMI device connected to the TV. That includes streaming sticks, game consoles, cable boxes, and anything else plugged into the HDMI ports. Then open the TV's own settings menu. If the blue tint also appears over the TV's menu, you've just ruled out your external devices, which means the problem is likely inside the TV itself. If the menu looks normal, try a different HDMI cable or switch to another HDMI port, because a damaged cable or faulty port can sometimes create unusual color problems. Next, head into the picture settings. Every TV brand names these menus a little differently, but most have options like color temperature, white balance, tint, picture mode, or expert settings. If the picture only has a slight blue tint, changing the color temperature from cool to warm often makes an immediate difference. You can also experiment with the tint or white balance controls to fine-tune the colors. If someone accidentally changed the picture mode, switching back to standard or movie mode is also worth trying. While you're in the settings, check whether there's a software update available. Manufacturers occasionally release firmware updates that fix display-related bugs, and if you've recently changed a lot of settings without remembering what they were, performing a factory reset can restore everything back to its original configuration. Now, here's the point where the age of the TV starts to matter. If your TV is 2, 3, or more years old, and the blue tint has been getting worse over time, there's a very good chance the problem isn't software at all. It's the LED backlight. Inside almost every modern LED TV, the backlight actually starts as blue LEDs. Those LEDs are covered with a special yellow phosphor coating that turns the blue light into white light. After years of heat and daily use, that coating gradually wears away. Once it does, the original blue light starts shining through, which is exactly why the screen develops that noticeable blue tint. This is also why some TVs only show blue patches in one corner at first. A few LEDs fail, then more begin to wear out, and eventually the entire screen takes on a blue appearance. Unfortunately, no picture setting can permanently fix worn-out LEDs. The permanent repair is replacing the LED backlight strips inside the TV. Replacement strips are available for many smart TVs, and they're usually much cheaper than replacing the entire television. The repair does require opening the TV and carefully removing the display panel, so it's best suited for someone comfortable with electronics or handled by a repair technician. One last tip: lowering your TV's backlight setting slightly can help the LEDs last longer. Many TVs ship with it set very high, which creates extra heat and speeds up wear over time. Now you know exactly what to do if your TV has a blue tint. I hope this helped get your picture back to normal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.